Hello students of standard 9th. In the last video we learned 5 paragraphs of the chapter This Reach for the Top and about Santosh Yadav, right? In short, what we learned in the first video, you might have listened to it very carefully, students, right? In the time of some particular customs that a girl child was not that much wanted. In that time, Santosh Yadav was born in a small village of Jonaliawas in Reveri district in Haryana, right? But she was the girl with particular power, a willpower. So she was different from her childhood, right? Her dress was different, her behavior was different, right? So she wanted to change. She did not want to change herself. She thought that other people have to change for me, right? And after that, in that situation, she got her school education, then her high school education, right? And after that, she got the admission in the Maharani College of Delhi, and she also stayed in a hostel. The name of the hostel was Kasturba Hostel, and that hostel faced Aravalli Hills, right? Now Aravalli Hills was nearby. She used to look at the hills and look at the villagers who were climbing the Aravalli Hills, and they were vanishing. They vanished. She could not see them. She wanted to see where they are going and how they are climbing. When she went there, she saw some mountaineers, right, who used to go up to at the top to the top of the mountains. They are called mountaineers. Now she asked them about her joining, and they motivated her and told that she could join their team. And after that, there was the way of running for Santosh Yadav. She got a way to success, right? Now what she did, let us see from paragraph 6. Then there was no looking back for this determined young girl. Now she was very determined, and she was young naturally. And after that, after meeting this mountaineer, she did not look at the back. She saved money and enrolled in a course at Uttarkashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. वो सीखने के लिए how to climb the mountains, right? She enrolled herself at Uttarkashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. My college semester in Jaipur was to end in April, but it ended on the 19th of May, right? When the semester was going to end into April, but it ended into the month of May. So what happened? And I was supposed to be in Uttarakashi on the 21st, right? Now on 21st she had to stay at Uttarakashi. And what happened? I did not go back home. After that, she did not want to go back home. Instead, I headed straight for the training. Headed means she turned toward the training. She thought that whatever she wanted to do, that was mountaineering. So she went for the training. I had to write a letter to apology to my father, without whose permission I had got myself enrolled at Uttarakashi. Uttarakashi she got the admission, enrolled herself, but her father did not know about that. Now she wrote a letter, right, to beg pardon. उनकी माफ़ी मांगने के लिए उसने एक लेटर लिखा for permission that she wanted this to get the training at Uttarakashi. Therefore, Santosh went on thereafter. Santosh went on an expedition every year. Expedition means mountaineering, किसी पहाड़ पे चढ़ना, that is called expedition. तो every year she wanted to, she used to go. Her climbing hills matured rapidity, राइट. उसकी स्पीड बढ़ने बढ़ने लगी. उसका काम जो है उसमें उसको स्किल्ड होने लगा. उसका जो काम था वो जो करना चाहती थी, शी यूज्ड टू गेट मोर एंड मोर स्किल. ऑल्सो शी डेवलप्ड अ रिमार्केबल रेजिस्टेंस टू cold and the cold and the altitude. मीन्स जिस तरह का एटमोसफियर था, ठंड और पूरी तरह का वेदर, उन सब से वो अपने आप को रेजिस्ट करने लगी थी, अपने आप को बचा सकती थी. नाउ इक्विप्ड विथ एन आयरन विल, उसका भी विल पावर भी बहुत बढ़ गया था. आयरन विल मीन्स शी वॉज हैविंग नाउ आयरन विल. फिजिकल endurance means physically she was very fit and fine, and an amazing mental toughness. Mentally also she was very tough. She proved herself repeatedly. Repeatedly she proved herself and she got the success all the time. She culmination of her hard work, right? Culmination means she showed her hard work. उसने प्रूव किया, and she was habituated now with the hard work, and sincerely came in 1992. Sincerity came in 1992. In 1992 now she was very much sincere, and just 4 years after she had shyly asked the Aravalli mountaineers if she could join them. Now after being perfect and skilled mountaineer, now she was perfect. She thought that now she is very perfect. Even then she shyly asked the Aravalli mountaineers if she could join them. अगर वो join कर सकती है, वो उसने संकोच से पूछा. At barely 20 years of age, only 20 years of age was that, Santosh Yadav scaled Mount Everest, becoming the youngest woman in the world to achieve the feat. Now this was the uh, this was the success that she achieved. This mountaineering feat means she achieved, and she was the youngest woman of 20 to do this. If her climbing skills, physical fitness, and mental strength impressed her seniors, her concerns for others and desire to work together with them found her a special place in the hearts of fellow climbers, right? The nature matters, right? Actually she was physically fit, mentally strong, and all these her virtues, all these her qualities impressed her seniors. And more than that, she was very sober by nature, right? So her concern for others, thinking about others, and helping others, all these things, because of all these things, she found her a special place in the hearts of fellow climbers. उसके साथ जितने भी mountaineers थे, उन सब के hearts में she got the place. She found the place. Now, during the 1992 Everest mission, now here was one more mission. Santosh Yadav provided special care to a climber who lay dying at the south col. साउथ साइड का जो पर्वतीय विस्तार था, उस पर चढ़ते टाइम पे one climber who lay dying, that climber was in a dying situation. She was unfortunately unsuccessful in saving him. Actually, she wanted to save that person, but she could not save that person. However, she managed to save another climber. There was another climber who was going to die, because the situation is like that. Sometimes the mountaineer have to face different climates, different kinds of situation, right? Lack of water, lack of food, all these things they have to suffer, right? Different kinds of climate, right? Thin air, everything they are suffering. So Once more it happened that one mountaineer was going to die. Now Mohan Singh, who would have met with the same fate had she not shared her oxygen with him, right? Now she could not share the oxygen with this person, right? And within 12 months, now what happened? Within 12 months, Santosh found herself a member of an Indo-Nepalese women's expedition. इंडिया और नेपाल का जो साथ में जो एक ग्रुप था जो कि वुमेन्स एक्सपेडिशन जो कर रहा था हमेशा माउंटेनियरिंग में आगे था, ऐसी एक टीम थी, उसमें वो 12 मंथ्स में इंक्लूड हो गई. दैट invited her to join, right? Then she then scaled the Everest a second time. First time she scaled the mountain, right? Second time she scaled the Everest. This thus setting a record as the only woman to have scaled the Everest twice, right? When we are thinking of going even once at Girnar mountain, right? But it was the highest peak, Everest, and that she scaled twice, and securing for herself and India a unique place in the annals of mountaineering, right? Here, what is the meaning of annals? That is the माउंटेनियरिंग ग्रुप, उनका जो पूरा एक स्पेशल ग्रुप था जो कि ये एक्सपेडिशन कर रहा था, उसमें उसने एक अपनी अपना एक स्थान बनाया, अपनी एक रिकॉग्निशन बनाई, और इंडिया में भी अपनी एक रिकॉग्निशन उसने बना ली of her achievements. The Indian government bestowed upon her one of the nation's top honors, the Padma Shri. Now she had the right to get the Padma Shri because the task she did, that was not that much easy, right? And this was the nation's honor that the Indian government bestowed upon her, right? So she was blessed with the award Padma Shri by Indian government. Describing her feelings when she was literally on top of the world, Santosh has said, right? Now, when she was at the top of success, right? And she was at the top of the world. At that time, what she said? It took some time for the enormity of the moment to sink in. किसी चीज में आपको डूबना है तो it takes time. Some moments are there which you have to grab, right? For the success, the moment should be grabbed. Whatever you want to do, that moment always comes. But if you are not grabbing that, if you are not taking the opportunities, how can you get it? Then I unfurled the Indian tricolor and held it aloft on the roof of the world. फिर मैंने वहां पर अनफोल्ड किया. क्या किया अनफोल्ड? अपना इंडिया का फ्लैग ट्राई कलर जो है वो, उसको पकड़ के पूरे वर्ल्ड को ये दिखाया, राइट? दैट what can an Indian, what can a person of India do, right? That I showed. Held it upright, high in the sky, that see my flag. And the feeling is indescribable. जो भी मैं feel कर रही थी, that was not, I was unable to describe that kind of feeling. The Indian flag was flying on top of the world. The whole world was looking at the flag of India. It was truly a spiritual moment. I felt proud as an Indian. I felt proud because I was an Indian. And whatever I did, that had become a world famous thing. And so I unfurled my Indian flag at the top of the Mount Everest. Also a fervent environmentalist, Santosh collected and brought down 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas. Actually, she was a एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट, जो कि एनवायरमेंट को उसका ध्यान रखने वाले, जो उसको जो स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग्स थी, सिंसियर फीलिंग्स टुवर्ड्स एनवायरमेंट, दैट इज कॉल्ड fervent environmentalist. She was a that kind of person who was having sincere feelings towards environment. What did she do? Santosh collected and brought down 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas. Himalayas say 500 kilograms of garbage, kachra, she brought from Himalayas. See her willpower, see her hard work towards the achievements, right? Determination towards her achievements, that we can see in this chapter by studying about this Santosh Yadav, right? A great inspiration to all of us that we learned about Santosh Yadav, and always will remember this personality in our mind and always do the great task like Santosh Yadav. Now, in part 2, once again, I'll be with part videos part 1 and part 2. So, read it and find some particular words from this, and after that, I'll be with you with the another part of this chapter. Thank you.